Y'all already know the vibes, man. Today we're gonna be taking a look and doing a little bit of unboxing. Now, this is actually my third take on this video right here, man. The first take, the car wasn't all the way inserted. The second take, y'all, I forgot to hit record. So I'm glad that I only made it through like 3 shoes before I went on ahead and I noticed when I looked up that I wasn't recording. But y'all already know the vibes, man. We're gonna be taking a look at 3 sneakers that I just got in today, and the other 2 sneakers I will dial in and I'll let you guys know what I plan on doing with them and why they're gonna be shown in this video, is because they are one of the pickups that I picked up since I've done sneaker content on the channel, minus what we did the other day with putting the soles on the sneakers. So like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. I appreciate you guys rocking out with your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Let me know some of your latest pickups as well. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. Let's roll that intro, you dig?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at some of the sneakers that just came in today. We got 3 double whammies, man. I've already seen 2 of the sneakers because I've already unboxed them, and as I told y'all, this is my third take. When it comes to the other 2 sneakers that I'm gonna be showing you, I've already seen those. I bought those when I was in Hawaii, so I wanted to go ahead and tell you why I purchased them and what I will be doing with them. And yeah, so let's jump straight into the running shoes. So first up, we have the Skyward X by Hoka. This one right here is kind of like that band, you know what I'm saying? When it comes to the Hoka, when you think about Jordan 1s and the band, the Jordan 1 bands, this sneaker right here was banned. You can't wear these in certain races. Seen the comfort of them. They said that, I believe it's because they're stacked too high or something like that, but y'all already know Hokas are known to have some thick soles, and these right here, I wanted to test these out. I do run indoors on the treadmill, and then I do like the Stairmaster and stuff like that when it comes to my cardio. So I wanted to test these out, and this one right here, the reason why I wanted to do this video and show you guys these, because these are a part of the sneakers that I'm gonna be showing you guys for comfort. I've only worn these indoors. I have not tried to run outdoors in these yet, but just running on the treadmill, these, I've ran in these for about a week, and these right here, I can say they're definitely a comfortable sneaker. The last sneaker that I had that I ran in was a pair of Hokas, so I believe they were called like the Bounce 8s or something like that, or Bounce 9 if I'm not mistaken, but don't quote me on that. But that was the ones that I was using, so I was really gonna just go for Hoka, but then they had buy one get one half off. So because they had the BOGO deal, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and grab another pair of sneakers, and then something else popped in, so I ended up with a 3rd pair of running shoes in less than a month. So let's go ahead. These are the first sneakers. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the next sneaker. And next we have by On, we have the Cloud Surfer in the Auburn Frost colorway. This was a part of the buy one get one half off, so I was like, you know what, I want to test these out because my bro Willie been telling me, yo G, you gotta try these out. So I was like, you know what, I can buy that pair, and they were already under retail, and I can get this pair as well under retail and half off. So I did go with the Cloud Surfer in this Auburn Frost color, and I mean, these right here, I've actually worn these outdoors, and I've actually run on the treadmill with these. So I've been testing these out indoors and outdoors. So y'all let me know if y'all got a pair of the Ons, man, and y'all let me know y'all's thoughts about these. But I did want to pick a pair of these up. I feel like I'm super late to the game when it comes to these. I've definitely been having them on my radar, and I had somebody tell me over 2 years ago that I should be rocking these, man. They was like, yo, when you do cardio, this is what you should be rocking. But, you know, I've been on the Hokas, man. So I was just like, you know, this time around, I wanted to try something different. So I grabbed these. And then the other sneakers that's coming in, it's actually from a brand that I haven't purchased another sneaker. Just wait. I'll wait for that. I'll let you guys see that when that one come in. But I will be comparing those 3 sneakers against each other because I did get that sneaker kind of in a special way. So stay tuned for that, man. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, if you guys are returning, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And y'all stay tuned to see how I compare all 3 of these running shoes. But I will probably also give you guys full detailed reviews and break them down as well for you guys. Next up, you guys see the box. You guys see what it say. It's the Baklava on the lid, man. Now, like I said, I did unbox these. This is my 3rd time time shooting this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop it and show you guys right here. I already have the shoes out. You do have dope tissue paper, full detailed review and on feet will be coming with these, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys these right here. This one was one that I got for retail dub on the site when these dropped. I was super surprised that I actually hit on them because, you know, when it comes to a lot of the New Balance collabs, it can get really hard to get them, man. And this is my second New Balance collab of this year that I've been able to get for retail, so I'm really pleased and happy with that, man. So huge shout out to New Balance, huge shout out to just being able to, you know, sneaker guys being on my side, helping me get these retail dubs. And right here we do have the Amazonia. If I'm not mistaken, that's how you pronounce it, Amazonia. I might be butchering the name, but these right here, just really dope colorway, man. You kind of got that hot pink on there, you got the burgundy and everything. I love how they did the laces on these, man. 990s to be exact, and I love how you got the reflective hit right here. But I will be giving you guys a full detailed review on these. One thing that I do want to point out on these is that you do have an icy part to the bottom of the sole. I thought that that was very unique to this sneaker because I don't think that I got any New Balances that have that on them. So that's pretty dope to me. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these, man. Did you guys pick up any of the 990s that have released when it comes to these right here with Action Bronson collab with New Balance? But I will keep you guys posted. You guys will see a full detailed review and on feet of these, so stay tuned for that. Next up, one of them won, almost flew under the radar for your boy. Now these did drop last week on May 1st. I was actually totally shocked that these were coming out. I did not see this colorway. I knew the other colorway was coming out, but I did not see this colorway. This is the Sun PE Air Max 2 Charles Barkley 94. So I went on ahead, I did the ship to me with Foot Locker, and I actually hit this pair for retail. I was not able to hit the other pair on Foot Locker, so that kind of bummed me out, but you guys already know your boy was able to pick them up as well. I got those over on JD Sports. They just haven't come in the mail yet. So we do have the Phoenix Suns colorway, the Suns colorway in the white, and this one is more like a PE. This is not an OG colorway, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like there's only 3 original colorways to the CB94. The rest of them were all like kind of like the retros of the CB94, but this one being like the PE vibe. You got the tumbled leather on them, you got the 3-4 right there, you got the Nike and the Nike hit back there. But when it comes to the OG colorways of these, I believe this is one of the OG colorways, the old Royals. Then you also have the triple blacks that came out. Then you have the black, purple, and white ones that came out. But this is more like the PE vibe. And I actually did something different with these. I'll talk about that when I get to the full detailed review on these, but I had to pick these up. Really dope colorway, man. I love the PE vibes with the 34 right there on them. And yeah, man, he's definitely gonna get some nice wears in. So this is the last sneaker of the video, man. And it's crazy because, like I said, I shot this video. This is a third take. I actually did not unbox this video in none of the videos. So this was the one that when I was about to unbox it, the camera, the card like was messed up. And then when I went to go shoot the other one, I got to the 94s. And when I got to those, I looked up and I realized that I wasn't recording. So let's go ahead and unbox this last sneaker though. This one right here did come out. This came out like close to the day before I left Hawaii. So I picked these up from the website, from his website, which you guys should already know. Y'all see the box, man. Y'all see the box. All y'all gotta do is just see that and y'all know what it is, man. I was really shocked because I have not hit on Travis's website for my specific size since I got the OG Travis Scott Mocha ones, man, the highs. That's the last time I hit on Travis' website for my size. I've hit on there again, but I hit for a child size. So it was like, man, this was crazy. But we got the Jumpman Jacks. You know what I'm saying? You do have the TR right there with the T-Rex. Something that I think is dope, how they put the little sticker on there. That's pretty dope. Now, this is a Jumpman Jack TR in the Moslin Black Bright Cactus. Now, this could have been one of my only impulse buys, I feel like, of this year, because I was like, dang, man, I do like the Jumpman Jack silhouette. This is my third pair, and you know, I was just like, man, I hit for retail, I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. So I grabbed them, but let's go ahead and pop the lid, okay? And you do get the stickers, G. You do get the stickers with this pair right here, but let's see if we get the bag though, because I heard the bag was not gonna be in there. And no, I do not see the bag, y'all. There is no bag. Dang, G. So this is my first pair that I don't have a bag. I heard that it was only exclusively for when they released them at Complex Con that they were gonna have a bag. So I ain't even gonna bust the whole shebang down, but right here we do have that bright cactus, man. And these actually look way better in person, man. They look way better in person. Now I keep it above with you guys. This is where it's gonna sound kind of funny. Well, I'll just save it for the detailed review. But this is a very comfortable sneaker, and I dig the way that these look on feet, man. The colorway is pretty dope. I'm glad that I didn't pull the trigger. I thought that I kind of had something that went with this, but it would have been too bright. But you do get extra set of laces with these. You get 3 sets. I will be giving you guys a full detailed review on these, man. Let me know down below. It seems like a lot of people got dubs on these, man. So, I mean, how do y'all feel about this silhouette as well, man? Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions. So there y'all have it, man. My 5 recent pickups, man. All 3 of these just landed today. So that's why I just wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing video for you guys, because I wanted to go ahead and see all of these in person. But y'all already know the vibes, man. Stay tuned. These will be doing their own type of video. So it is your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all been picking up lately, man. Let me know y'all's latest pickups, man. Let me know what y'all looking forward to picking up this week, man. The next hits on the radar this week, we do have the Deion Sanders coming out, man. I'm definitely gonna try to get my hands on a pair of those. And then we also got the Reimagine UNC's dropping. So y'all already know the vibes, man. Comment down below. Looking forward to picking up. It is your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Until the next video, peace, love, and Laguna Beach. And we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom.